Hey there, welcome back to Explainer. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that many of us struggle with, getting out of our comfort zones. If you find yourself stuck in a routine and want to explore new horizons, this video is for you. We'll break down the concept of the comfort zone and give you practical tips on how to break free from it. So, let's get started. First things first, what is the comfort zone? Well, your comfort zone is that cozy mental space where you feel safe, secure, and comfortable. It's where you do things you're familiar with, and there's minimal risk or anxiety involved. Now, there's nothing inherently wrong with the comfort zone. In fact, it's a nice place to relax. However, if you want to grow, learn, and achieve new things, you need to step out of it. So why should you leave your comfort zone? Simply put, this is where personal growth happens. When you stay in your comfort zone, you're not challenging yourself, and as a result, you're not evolving. Stepping out of it can lead to several benefits. 1. Personal growth. You discover new abilities and strengths you never knew you had. 2. Increased confidence. Conquering new challenges boosts your self-esteem. 3. New experiences. You get to explore exciting opportunities and broaden your horizons. 4. Overcoming fears. Leaving your comfort zone helps you face and conquer your fears. 5. Adaptability. It enhances your adaptability to change, a valuable skill in today's fast-paced world. Now that you know why it's essential, let's talk about how to leave your comfort zone. First, you need to recognize your comfort zone. What activities, situations, or routines make you feel comfortable? Make a list. It could be as simple as watching TV every evening or always ordering the same dish at your favorite restaurant. Next, understand the costs of staying in your comfort zone. Consider what you're missing out on by not taking risks. This can be a powerful motivator to push you out of your comfort zone. Setting clear goals is crucial. Know what you want to achieve and create a plan. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Don't feel like you have to make giant leaps. Start small. Take tiny steps outside your comfort zone. For example, if you're shy, try initiating a conversation with a stranger. Understand that discomfort is part of the process. Embrace it. This is where the real growth happens. It's like stretching a muscle. It might hurt a little, but it makes you stronger. Learn from failure. Failure is not the end. It's a valuable lesson. Don't be afraid to fail when stepping out of your comfort zone. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Don't go it alone. Seek support from friends, family, or mentors who can encourage and guide you. They can offer valuable insights and help you stay accountable. Finally, celebrate your wins no matter how small they may seem. Acknowledging your achievements will boost your confidence and motivation. Before we wrap up, let's address some common barriers to leaving your comfort zone and how to overcome them. 1. Fear of failure. Many people fear failure and the embarrassment that comes with it. Remember, failure is a stepping stone to success. Embrace it as a learning opportunity. 2. Fear of rejection. The fear of rejection can be paralyzing. Understand that not everyone will agree with or accept you, and that's okay. What matters most is being true to yourself. 3. Overthinking. Overthinking can hold you back. When you catch yourself overanalyzing, try taking action before doubt creeps in. 4. Lack of confidence. Low self-confidence can be a roadblock. Building confidence takes time, so start with small steps and gradually work your way up. So, there you have it, a guide on how to get out of your comfort zone. Remember, it's a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. The key is to keep challenging yourself and pushing your boundaries. Your comfort zone might be cozy, but life truly begins at the end of it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Explainer for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. Also, don't forget to share your experiences with leaving your comfort zone in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take that step and embrace the magic that happens outside your comfort zone. See you soon.